Hi everyone! In this video, we will use slopes to identify perpendicular lines. Use slopes and y-intercepts to determine if the given lines are perpendicular. Let's quickly review. If we have parallel lines, the slopes are the same. And if we have perpendicular lines, then the slopes are opposite reciprocals. Opposite meaning one is positive and one is negative, and reciprocal meaning that the fraction is inverted. So if we have a positive a over b, then the reciprocal is negative b over a. And so we have our two slopes for perpendicular. So let's go ahead and find the slopes of our two lines by solving for y so we get it in slope-intercept form. To do that, we'll subtract x from both sides for the first one. So the x's cancel, and we're left with 2y equals negative x plus 3. To continue solving for y, we'll divide every term by 2. 2's cancel, so we are left with y equals negative 1/2 x plus 3 halves. Now let's go ahead and solve the second equation for y. We'll add 2x to both sides, and we're left with y equals positive 2x minus 4. Now let's go ahead and compare the slopes of each. The slope of the first one is negative 1/2, so I have a negative, that's great, negative 1/2, and the slope of the second one is positive 2, which is great. One is positive and one is negative, so we have that part going. We have a 2 on the bottom for the first one and a 2 on the top for the second one. I have a 1 on the top for the first, and I don't have anything on the bottom for the second, but I can always put a whole number over a 1 because it doesn't change the value. 2 divided by 1 is still 2. So we do in fact have two slopes that are perpendicular. They are the opposite, meaning they have the opposite sign, and the fractions are reciprocals of each other. So yes, these are indeed perpendicular. And we're all done.